Good morning, students. Welcome to the online classes. So this is Devi ma'am, your EVS teacher. So yesterday we have discussed about what do you mean by the term adaptation, and today we will see the special adaptation. What do you mean by the term special adaptations? So first one, some of the special adaptations are migration. So migration means what? Moving from one place to another to escape from the climate, to escape from the weather, or to escape from the predator. Some animals, they will move from one place to another. So migration is the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another. So animals migrate to find the suitable climatic condition and in search of the food. For example, if we take the Arctic terns and the pintails, so these animals, they will migrate in the winter. So to escape from the climatic condition, they will travel from one place to another. So insect such as the locust and the certain type of butterflies, they also migrate a very long distance. Wildebeests migrate to regions where the food is available in plenty. So these type of animals, that is a wildebeest animal, so where the food is available in plenty, so in that region they will migrate very fastly. Salmon and turtle. Salmon is one type of the fish, and the turtle, they will move thousands of miles to lay the eggs. For laying the eggs, they will travel this much of distance. I am repeating again. So first, special adaptation. What do you mean by the term migration? Migration means moving from one place to another. Why they are moving? Mainly to escape from the climate and to lay the eggs and in search of food. For these three reasons, they will travel from one place to another. So first example, it is called as an Arctic terns and pintails. So they will migrate in the winter to escape from the climate. And insects such as the locust and a certain type of butterfly, they will also migrate a long distance. So wildebeest, it is a one type of an animal. So they will migrate where the food is available in plenty. Salmon, it's one type of the fish, and the turtle, they will migrate thousands of miles to lay the eggs. So second one, it is called as a camouflage. Camouflage means what? Sudden change in the color. For example, if you see the chameleon, everyone has noticed the chameleon, right? So wherever the place they go, they will change their shape. They will change their color. So some animals, they have the ability to change the body color to match with the surroundings. This is called as a camouflage. Changing the body color that is suitable to match with the surroundings. It is called as a camouflage. So what happened? The body covering of the some animals, they blend with the surroundings. So the body color and the surrounding color, both will be same. So why they are doing this one? This either makes it harder for their prey to detect them and help them to hide from the predators, to find the food for them, and also to help from their predators. They are doing this camouflage. I am repeating again, what is a camouflage? So some of the animals, they have the ability to change their body color that match with the surroundings. This is called as a camouflage. So why they are doing this one? To get the food for them and to hide from the predators. Predator means their enemies, and to escape from their enemies, they are doing this camouflage. Then next one, it is called as a mimicry. What is a mimicry? Animal mimicry, it is also one form of the camouflage. Not exact definition of the camouflage, something. That is, it is a close resemblance of an animal in the shape and color of a non-living object or other animal. So why they are doing this one? Same, to protect from the predators. For example, if you take the leaf insect, it looks exactly like the leaf. And the harmless hoverfly, it mimics the wasps or bees. Okay, the same, it is a type of the camouflage, close resemblance. Why they are doing this one? To protect from the predators. Okay, so for example, if you take a leaf insect, it looks exactly like the leaf. And the harmless hoverfly mimic wasps or the bees. Okay, and the next, it is called as a hibernation. So what is a hibernation? Some animals, what they will do, they will sleep for a long time. Okay, the long time sleep to save the energy and to survive the winter without eating. It is called as a hibernation. So some animals, they will go and sleep for the long time to save their energy and to escape from the winter without food. This one, it is called as a hibernation. Now see, so during the severe winter, what will happen? The food will become scarce. Scarce means what? Food will not be more. So many animals, they have difficulty to find the food, right or not? To solve this problem, they will do the hibernating. I'm repeating again, listen. So during the winter season, there is a difficult to get the food. Okay, each and every animal, they have the difficult to find the food. To solve this problem, they will do the hibernation. So hibernation means it is a long sleep-like state that helps the animals to save the energy and to survive in the winter without eating. So these animals, what they will do? They will eat the extra food which gets stored as a body fat. Okay. So during the summer season, they will eat more amount of the food. Then they will be stored as a body fat. So this fat, it is used to provide the energy while hibernating. So during hibernating, they will get the food from this fat. So which animals will hibernate? Namely the bats, bears and snake. These animals that will hibernate. And next one, it is called as a aestivation. So what is an aestivation? So that is hibernation means to escape from the winter. Here to escape from the summer. So aestivation, it is also a long sleep-like state that helps the animals to avoid the extreme heat in the summer. So what the animals will do? They bury themselves into the ground where the soil is very moist. Moist means what? Having some amount of water, dry area or wet area. So which animals are there? Earthworms, snails, frogs and toads. So when they will come out? When the weather is favorable for them, they will come out. I'm repeating again. What is aestivation? The same as the hibernation. Hibernation, it is a long sleep during the winter season. Aestivation means to avoid the extreme heat, the animals will aestivate. So which are the animals? The animals, they bury themselves deep into the ground where the soil is moist. So examples are earthworms, snails, frogs, toads, etc. When they will come out? They come out when the weather is favorable. Now come to the fill in the blanks textual questions, page number 77. So the place where the particular animal lives, it is called as an habitat. Animals that live on dash are called as an terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are called as an terrestrial animals. So dash are areas that are often covered with the sand and receive rainfall throughout the year. So what is covered with the land? It is called as a desert. So dash is found in ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. So fresh water is found in ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. So dash form the largest saltwater habitat on the planet. Oceans form the largest saltwater habitat on the planet. So second one, it is called as a camouflage. Camouflage means what? Sudden change in the color. For example, if you see the chameleon, everyone has noticed the chameleon, right? So wherever the place they go, they will change their shape. They will change their color. So some animals, they have the ability to change the body color to match with the surroundings. This is called as a camouflage. Changing the body color that is suitable to match with the surroundings. It is called as a camouflage. So what happened? The body covering of the some animals, they blend with the surroundings. So the body color and the surrounding color both will be same. So why they are doing this one? This either makes it harder for their prey to detect them and help them to hide from the predators, to find the food for them and also to help from their predators. They are doing this camouflage. I'm repeating again, what is a camouflage? So some of the animals, they have the ability to change their body color that match with the surroundings. This is called as a camouflage. So why they are doing? Then choose the correct option. Come to page number 82. First one, these animals lives in the desert. So which is animal? The answer is said to be C. Camel, scorpion and the snake, they live in a desert. This animal is not found in the polar region. That is penguin, polar bear and arctic fox. They are found in the polar region. Only the giraffe is not found in the polar region. Third, fish, snake, crocodile and lizards. They have bodies covered with dash. Fish, snakes, crocodile, they have the scales. So underline the word scales. Fourth one, these help whales to swim in the water. It is called as a flippers. Flippers helps the whales to swim in the water. Then earthworm breathe through. Earthworm has the spiracles to breathe. So which leaf insect shows the dash? Leaf insect shows the mimicry. Then match the following. I have marked the options here. Fur means keeps the animals warm. Scales, it helps the animals to move about. Limbs, it supports the animal body. Insects, they breathe through the spiracles. Fish, they will breathe through the gills. So mark the option. I am repeating again. Fur, it keeps the animals warm. Scales, it helps the animal to move about. Limbs, it supports the animal body. Insect, it breathes through the spiracles. Fish, breathe through the gills. And next one, it is called as a aestivation. So what is an aestivation? So that is hibernation means to escape from the winter. Here to escape from the summer. So aestivation, it is also a long sleep-like state that helps the animals to avoid the extreme heat in the summer. So what the animals will do? They bury themselves into the ground where the soil is very moist. Then give one word. The place where a particular animal lives naturally. It is called as an habitat. The layer of flexible overlapping structures covering the bodies of some animals. It is called as a scales. Third one, the periodic shedding of the old skin. It is called as a moulting. Fourth one, the seasonal movement of animals from one region to another. It is called as an migration. Then fifth one, a long sleep-like state that help animals to avoid the extreme heat. It is called as an aestivation. So mark this answer in your textbook. and tomorrow we will discuss about short and the long answers.